You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word? Very useful to know in English when something is approved. Let's break down the pronunciation. Approval. Yes, a schwa sound here at the beginning, not an a sound. Prue, a long u sound. Stress on that second prue syllable. Vol. Overall. Approval. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.